Hi, myself Darpan Saluja. I am a computer programmer. This video series is about computer algebra system. In this video, we will discuss about complex numbers. A complex number is a combination of real number and an imaginary number. Real numbers includes all rational numbers and all irrational numbers. An imaginary number is a number that when squared has a negative result. For example, I is equal to under root minus 1 is a real number, and this is unit imaginary number which is the square root of minus 1. So a complex number is equal to a plus bi, where a is real part and b is equal to imaginary part, which is multiplied with the unit imaginary number, where a and b are real numbers. When in standard form, a is called the real part of the complex number and b is called the imaginary part of the complex number. Let's start all this complex number work in SymPy package. First, import all the function from SymPy, then create the variables and enable the pretty printing by calling init printing method. Creating an imaginary number. So to create an imaginary number, for example, we have u is equal to v is equal to 2. This is an integer number. U is equal to first real part a 2.5 plus second real part b, that is 3, and the unit imaginary, that is j. So print u. When you will print u, it display 2.5 plus 3j. Let's print its real part. To that we will call the property u dot real, shift enter, and you will get 2.5. Imaginary part. For imaginary part we will call u dot imag, sorry, wrong indentation, 3.0, and j is our unit imaginary number. Next, if you want to add integer and a complex number, you can do it. For example, w is equal to u plus v, w, shift enter, 4.5 plus 3j, 2.5 plus 3j plus 2, that is 4.5 and plus 3j. Create a complex number and we will do after that sum of two complex number. Here we have done integer plus complex number. So we are creating another complex number v, which has a value 2 plus 5j, shift v is equal to 2 plus 5j and shift enter 2 plus 5j, then sum of two complex number, that is u plus v. W is equal to u plus v, sum of two complex number, w, 2 plus 2.5, 4.5, 3j plus 5j, 8j. Creating complex number and then create a complex number from two floating numbers. Let's do it. Let's do it. First num is equal to minus 2, second num is equal to 0.5, a float number, and then create a complex number. Comp is equal to first num plus second num into unit imaginary number 1j, and then print comp, shift enter. that is minus 2 plus 0.5j. Next, another method of making complex number, creating complex number, is by calling complex method provided by the SymPy package, that is comp is equal to complex method. The two argument, first num comma second num, and then print comp, shift enter to run execute the code. Complex. Now minus 2 plus 0.5j. So this is the first method, this is the second method. You can write directly a complex number, you can create complex number by this method and by calling complex method. Next thing is multiplication of two complex number. For that we create a complex number w is equal to 4.5 plus 3j w, shift enter, and then multiply it with comp, that is minus 2 w into comp, shift enter, that is minus 10.5 minus 3.75. The minus 10.5 is minus 2 into 4.5 plus 3j into 0.5. Divide two complex number. For that we do comp divide by w, shift enter, and this is the division of two complex number. When we multiply a complex number by its conjugate, we get a real number given by it. A math conjugate is found by changing the sign between two terms in a binomial. For instance, the conjugate of x plus y is x minus y. We can also say that x plus y is a conjugate of x minus y. So let's do it. When we multiply a complex number by its conjugate, we get a real number given by it. V is equal to w dot conjugate. Value of w is 4.5 plus 3j. So value of v will be shift enter 4 point v complex conjugate v is equal to w dot conjugate method, it is a method, 4.5 minus 3j. Now multiply it with its original parent, that is w into v, expression, shift enter, it is 29.25, a real number plus 0j, 0 imaginary number. Let's check its imaginary part. Expr dot imag, shift enter, it is 0. Multiply the following is a practice problem which multiply the two complex numbers. So let's do this practical problem. U is equal to first number 2 minus square root of minus 100 u, shift enter, is 2 minus 10i. I is minus 1 imaginary part, unit imaginary part. V is equal to 1 plus square root minus 36 v, 1 plus 6i. Expression is equal to u into v, shift enter, and print expression. It's 1 plus 6i into 2 minus 10i. When you expand expr dot expand, and you will get the result, that is expand, that is 62 plus 2i. Another practice problem, solve the following. U is equal to 3j square root 2 u, it's minus 9 plus 0 j. Square root of 3i, a complex number, 9i square. I is imaginary part, that is under root minus 1, and under root minus 1 square is equal to minus 9. So in this video we have seen what are complex numbers, and we solve them using the SymPy package. For now, thanks and bye. Thanks for watching the video. Please share your comments, and bye.